Hello friends, today we will learn how to draw this cute little puppy.
The materials we will be needing are a pencil, an eraser, colored pencils, and finally a ruler, but this is optional. Let's get started. We will start by drawing a rectangle. Inside the rectangle, we will form the head. After having formed the head, we will erase the lines that we will not occupy. Now we will make 2 circles, which will be his eyes.
Inside the eyes, we make small circles to give it shine.
We draw the nose and mouth. Also the eyebrows and chin. We draw 2 ears. We make a circle from which we form its body and legs. Now to give life to the drawing, we will color it with colored pencils. We paint the eyes very carefully without going out of the lines.
With the black color, we mark all the lines.
We will paint his nose with red color. Now we will paint the entire dog. I will paint it yellow, but you can paint it any color you want, from brown, red to blue. That's how it should be. If it doesn't work out like that, don't worry, repeat the video and try again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like.